Happy Friday, everybody. We had a very long Friday. We just got home and it is 10:37 at night. Reason being is we went back to the town we went to high school because we still have friends that live there and they do a fireworks show. So tonight we went and saw the fireworks. It did rain and we thought that they weren't going to do the fireworks and then they actually did the fireworks. I should have brought the camera. There's fireworks. That's like the number one thing.
Yeah, but nobody watches anybody's video of fireworks.
That's true, yeah. The fireworks are great. But we just got home and the dogs are going crazy because we think that there's other people lighting fireworks
yeah,
like
this
around
is their
here.
least favorite weekend of the year.
Mm-hmm. Trixie's fine, of course. Courtney's fine, right? You're doing okay with the fireworks, right? Mm-hmm. But these boys, yep. And where's the? Oh, there he is. You okay? It's just celebrating our nation, Locke. Oh.
I don't understand. They just hear loud booms, and inherently it's bad.
Yep. Boom, 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 boom. Don't you in my room.
It's like constant thunder, but like all weekend.
Yeah, that's true. It's all right, guys. There won't be fireworks tomorrow or the next day, I'm sure.
I'm actually kind of crossing my fingers that there won't be fireworks tomorrow.
You don't think so?
Because it's supposed to be raining literally all day.
Oh, yeah, it's supposed to thunder. Yeah, it's supposed to thunder and rain.
Well, thunder's not going to help them.
Oh, yeah. We're hoping they won't do it.
It was only supposed to thunder tonight. It's just rain all day tomorrow. Yeah, that's what's in the forecast.
So we will see.
Crossing my fingers.
But they're just gonna pant until further notice. Oh, he looks so sad. So with that being said, I think we're gonna go to bed because it is late and we got home late. No Simpsons tonight.
Oh, and we were Cheater pumpkin eaters.
Oh, we ate bad. Well, only a little bad. I had a slice of pizza and you were worse than me.
Yeah, but that's because the way that keto diet works, it's basically body chemistry.
Oh, yeah.
And if you've messed up for the day, there's no point in trying to pretend like you didn't mess up.
So Courtney's logic is if you have a little bit of carbs, you might as well eat all of the carbs.
Well, because you're already out of ketosis anyway.
Yeah, but it's still not good to eat more carbs.
It doesn't matter once you're out of ketosis.
I don't know.
The whole point of keto is to stay in ketosis. If you're not in ketosis, what you eat really, not that it doesn't matter, but.
Okay. Well, and they had pizza there and I was doing really well. I just had like hot dogs, no buns.
He kept looking at the pizza on his shoe.
Yeah, I kept looking down at my Crocs and seeing the pizza slice and going, oh, I want a slice of pizza. So I had a slice of pizza.
It wasn't like anything good though. It was just Domino's.
It was just Domino's, but it was pizza at least.
I know, but the pizza on your shoe looks so good.
I know, because it's all drippy.
New York dollar slice.
Yeah, way better than Domino's. Yeah. But we're gonna go to bed. So if you have to deal with fireworks tonight, I'm sorry if you are a dog.
Woof.
Woof. See you real soon.